My name is Greg Buenger, and I'm a group leader in the Chemical Development Department at Cambrex in Charles City, Iowa. We review the client's process and work with them to discuss any modifications that may be needed to support manufacturing in Cambrex Charles City. The team will decide if we need to do any extra experimentation to support those changes, and the R&D team will have weekly meetings with the customer to discuss progress of the project and any changes to the process. The R&D team evaluates the process in the laboratory. We work with the process engineers to show them how the process works so they can write the batch records for the manufacturing. The R&D team will assist with the first manufacturing batch by having a chemist in the plant to advise the operators on how the process is typically run. And then the R&D team will also assist with troubleshooting if there's a problem, performing any additional laboratory work to recover a batch or to support additional process changes. The qualification of new materials and suppliers is a team approach with procurement, quality control, and chemical development, production, and quality assurance. 3 samples are typically sourced for a new raw material and tested against the release specifications. For key raw materials, the Chemical Development Department will test the materials in the process to prove that they work in a similar way to the original supplier's material.